Today, I'm sharing one of my favorite quick meals to make at home. Spaghetti stir fry using variety of H&H products. This recipe is perfect for busy days, school lunch boxes, or when you just want something tasty without spending too much time in the kitchen. The beautiful thing about this spaghetti stir fry is how flexible it is. You can keep it simple or make it very rich depending on what you have available. Now, all you have to do is to wear your apron and let's start cooking. I started by boiling some water in my cooking pot. As the water began to heat up, I added a bit of H&H sunflower cooking oil. The purpose of the oil is to keep the spaghetti from sticking together as it cooks. Next, I added some H&H spaghetti spices for early flavor. Adding seasoning to the water helps the pasta taste good from the inside and reduces the need for extra salt later. Once the water was boiling nicely, I went ahead and added the H&H spaghetti. Immediately after adding it, I stirred everything in well so the oil and seasoning could mix evenly with the spaghetti, and after that I covered the pot and allow it to cook, but not too soft, okay? For the stir fry, you want the spaghetti slightly firm so it doesn't break apart. Remember to check from time to time to make sure it doesn't overcook. Once it was ready, I drained it and set it aside for the stir fry. As you can see, it's looking absolutely perfect, and that's what I'm looking for. All that is left is to add in some water to help stop the cooking process, and that will be perfect. So next, in a different cooking pan, I heated up some oil. Once the oil is nicely hot, I then proceeded to add some eggs and started crumbling it. Take your time here because the eggs add a soft, rich texture to the stir fry, and it also helps balance the flavor very well. When the eggs were nicely scrambled, I added a little bit of spicy gizzard. Feel free to use any protein of your choice: chicken, sausage, beef, shrimp, or even tuna will work well. The gizzard add both flavor and chewiness to the dish, and trust me, it was the best feeling ever. You will love it. So all you have to do is to trust the process. Now I'll stir fry for about 1 to 2 minutes and it should be ready. And it's time to brighten up the stir fry, so I began adding my vegetables one after the other. You can use carrots, onions, bell peppers, cabbage, spring onions, or anything you prefer. Vegetables not only add color and beauty, but they provide vitamins and help balance the richness of the oil, egg, and protein. Stir fry the vegetables just until they soften slightly while still remaining crunchy. After the vegetables cooked for a bit, it was time to make the stir fry very rich and delicious. I went in with H&H sardine for richness, followed by H&H chicken luncheon, and then some H&H spaghetti seasoning. After that, we're going to stir fry everything so well for the flavors to distribute evenly. H&H products are available on market, it's very affordable, and you're going to love their products. So go grab yours now and thank me later. Whilst that is going on, I want to also use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for for always liking my video, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. And if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Can you do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family? Thank you so much. Alright, now I added the cooked spaghetti back into the pan. I also added a little pepper for heat. This part is optional, so kindly adjust according to your taste. Stir until everything is fully combined. Take your time to mix properly because this is where the flavor really comes together and coats the spaghetti. Once everything is well combined and heated through, our stir fry is ready. As you can see, it's looking very mouth-watering, very colorful, and very inviting. So all you have to do is to trust the process. At this point, if you haven't also given this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Can you give this video a thumbs up and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Now it's time to serve and enjoy. This spaghetti stir fry is colorful, satisfying, and very easy to prepare. It's perfect for any time of the day, and the ingredients are so easy to customize. Let me also know what you think about the spaghetti stir fry recipe in the comment section, and I'll be very glad to read all your amazing comments down below. And of course, try it at home and adjust to your taste. Thank you so much for cooking with Efia today. I hope you loved today's recipe and you're going to give it a try. Let me know in the comment section, as I said, and I'll be very glad to read all your comments down below. And until next time, keep cooking with love and bye.